Okay, so this is a really quick one. I had a really good question on my my InDesign, how do you work with tables, about why you want to put your tables inside of a text box. Now what I've done here is I've just linked this to this to this, and I filled it with placeholder text, which is all this Greek text here. And I want to show you what happens if you, like, let's say I've got this is my text that talks about my table, and I'm going to put my table right here, and this is why you want to do this. Okay, actually, you know what? We're going to make this even more obvious. We're going to go down here. All right, so we'll just cut it here and say that this text right in front of it is what talks about the thing, and we're going to make it red so it's silly obvious. Let's see here. Table, I'll make it pink. There you go. All right, so here you're going to go ahead and add your table. It doesn't really matter because this is just for kicks here. All right, so here's the thing. Let's say my client comes back and they say that they want me to delete the intro to this page. All right, we'll call this the intro. They want me to delete it, right? And maybe it takes up this much of the page. Here's what happens, and this is why you want to put the tables in the text box with your other text. You ready? Delete. The table came with the text. All right, and that's why this is important. Now, if I had put this table outside, like let's say, let me undo this, right? We will, oops, go back. We will go ahead and delete this table, right? And we will go ahead and break this. We will make a copy. We're gonna put this down here. We will link this to this. Ooh, I did that wrong. Link that to this, and then this of course links to that, right? What did I do? I didn't do that right. There we go. Okay, so this is all linked up, right? If I click here and go to the next one, the cursor is now up here. See? Okay, so this is all linked up, and here am I going to go and put my table outside. Okay, whoa, that made it huge. Make this plan. Let's make a smaller table. Create table. We're gonna make a few rows. The columns don't really matter. All right, and we'll draw it here. All right, so this is our table that is not inside of a text box. I want you to see what happens here. This is our text that talks about the table in figure 1, right? Come up here, I delete that intro. Delete that intro. All right, my text came to the next page, but where's my table that talks about? It's still here. So that's why it's important to have the text go on to inside your text box, just because especially if you're dealing with like 80 pages or something massive, not having your tables in the text flow of your document is just going to give you so many headaches. And if the text flow gets weird, like you have an image or something that's getting in the way, or your new layout is like maybe smaller or condensed or something, and the table won't fit, at least it will be obvious. You won't just lose the context of the content. All right, that's it for now. Take care, guys. Bye.